Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikit here and I'm back with a new video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to play Ludo in Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, on your device you have to launch the Facebook app. Once you open your Facebook app, make sure they are logged into your account. And now once you're on your home page, at the upper right corner of your screen you will see three line icon. Tap on there, and on this interface you will load up with a bunch of menus such as find friends, pages, and on that same section you will be able to see a menu that says gaming. Tap on gaming. After that you will land on this interface, and in this interface you will be able to see multiple games such as Ludo, Carrom board. So to play Ludo, tap on that Ludo club. You will land on this interface. Now again tap on play on Facebook from the bottom of your screen and wait until it gets loaded. Once it is loaded, you will land on this page. Now you can simply invite your friends on the Facebook. If you tap on the friends icon that you will see on the interface, once you tap on there you have to select the mode. Once you select that mode, you can simply invite your friends on the Facebook. So this is how you can simply play Ludo in Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. And that's all. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.